Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the console right now. Press F9 in a running Roblox session or F8 inside Studio. Do this because the console shows runtime logs and lets you run debug commands. Without it, you can only guess. Once open, make sure Developer Console is allowed in settings and your place permissions permit testing. You'll immediately see timestamps, log types, and memory metrics. These give context for errors, so note them before moving on to filtering or executing commands. You filter logs to find the issue faster. Toggle info, warning, and error, because errors often indicate broken scripts while warnings point to potential problems. Once done, use the search box with keywords or timestamps to narrow results. This saves time when a game produces many messages. Make sure to use the console's input to run short Lua snippets for testing. This helps you isolate functions. If you need profiling, switch to the Performance tab to inspect memory and CPU spikes. You finish by reproducing the error, applying a targeted fix in the offending script, and saving your place. Then test immediately using the console to confirm the issue is resolved. Use print statements and asserts to validate variable values during runtime so you understand why the fix works. If things go wrong, clear the client cache and restart Roblox, because corrupted temporary files can mask problems. One troubleshooting tip: read the error stack top to bottom. It shows the call chain.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.